A family drive is always enjoyable. Imagine you are driving around and your car suddenly breaks down. You pull over to check on what could be wrong, but have no idea on how to fix it. You reach out to your customer service. The customer service agent captures your information and sends you a text via the Effort platform. You receive a message on your mobile with a web link which notifies your customer service about your location. The service agent then allocates the ticket to the nearest service engineer via geointelligence on the Effort platform. The services engineer accepts the service request on the platform. You are notified on the details of the service engineer by your service agent, with an accurate timeline on when the service engineer will reach your location.
The service engineer will sign in upon arriving at the customer's location.
The service engineer performs repair activity and updates the same and closes the ticket on the Effort platform. The customer service agent is updated of the activity in real time on the Effort platform. You are notified of the activity completion. This is where Effort played a crucial role in the roadside assistance scenario.
The system will automatically invite whitelisted service executives, making the back-office executives' life easier. Offer precise customer service anywhere with exact coordinates. Send customers a tracking link promptly for confidence, no matter the breakdown location. Past services on the vehicle will be recorded for future references. Customers will be pleased with the services and information from manufacturer, enhancing customer relationships. Previously, to assist the customer it used to take 6 hours, now they are able to assist customer in 2 hours.
Raise service requests through multiple channels. Seamless API integrations. Geointelligence. Real-time visibility. Real-time notifications. Intelligent allocation and time to reach based on availability. Happy customer. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with Effort.